Have you ever noticed how some people just seem to attract money, success, and opportunities, while others work twice as hard and stay stuck? Here's the truth. It's not just luck, talent, or even hard work. It's the way their mind is wired. And today, I'm going to show you how to rewire your brain to think like the wealthy and unlock abundance in your life. Most people don't realize this, but your thoughts about money were programmed when you were young. If you grew up hearing things like, money doesn't grow on trees, or rich people are greedy, those beliefs got hardwired into your brain, and right now, they might be blocking your success. But the good news is this: you can change it. Your brain has neuroplasticity, which means it can be rewired with new beliefs, new habits, and new results. So, how do you start? Step 1. Become aware of the old stories you're telling yourself. Whenever you hear that voice in your head saying, "I'm not good with money," or "wealth is for other people," stop and challenge it. Replace it with a new belief like, "I'm learning to master money," or "abundance flows to me in many ways." Step 2. Visualize the life you want. Close your eyes and picture your wealthy future. See where you live, how you feel, the choices you get to make. And then ask yourself, what habits are holding me back right now? Is it procrastination, fear, avoiding money conversations? Identifying those blocks is how you break them. Step 3. Build daily wealth habits. Start small. Review your finances. Write down your goals every morning. Practice gratitude for what you already have. These little routines send powerful signals to your brain that wealth and abundance are normal for you. And finally, take consistent action. Wealthy people don't just think differently, they act differently. Read books, build new skills, invest in yourself, and push through discomfort. The more you face what scares you, like checking your bank account or making that first investment, the more confidence you'll build. Here's the bottom line: wealth begins in the mind. When you rewire your thoughts, you rewire your future. You'll see opportunities where others see problems. You'll feel confident instead of fearful, and you'll start moving toward financial freedom with clarity and purpose. So, here's my challenge for you. In the comments, write down one limiting belief about money that you're letting go of starting today. I'll read every single one because your transformation matters. If you found this video powerful, share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe to Wealth in Billions and hit the bell so you don't miss the next wealth building lesson. Remember, abundance is your birthright. Think rich, act bold, and watch your life transform. Welcome to Wealth in Billions.